Are you ready for GTA 6, or will your PC crash the moment you try to launch it? With the massive hype around the upcoming game from Rockstar Games, millions of gamers are wondering the same thing: is my PC or laptop powerful enough to run GTA 6? Well, in this video I'm going to break it down in a simple way so you can check if your system is ready for the next generation of open-world gaming. Now if we look at previous games like Grand Theft Auto 5, Rockstar always pushes the limits of graphics, physics, and world size, and GTA 6 is expected to be even bigger, more realistic, and more demanding. According to early reports and hardware predictions, a basic system that might run GTA 6 could include at least an Intel Core i5 or Ryzen 5 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a graphics card like GTX 1660 or RTX 2060 just to handle the game at decent settings. If you're planning to play on high or ultra graphics, you might need something closer to an RTX 3060 or better, along with a fast SSD because modern open-world games load massive environments constantly. And if you're watching this video and thinking, wait, my laptop only has integrated graphics, then you might need to consider an upgrade because GTA 6 will most likely rely heavily on modern GPUs and faster storage speeds. But don't worry, you don't necessarily need an expensive gaming setup. Even a mid-range gaming laptop released in the last few years could potentially run the game with optimized settings. The key things to check right now are your CPU generation, GPU model, RAM amount, and whether you're using an SSD instead of a hard drive. By the way, if you enjoy tech and gaming content like this and want more videos about PC builds, gaming setups, and new technology, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Bruce Tech Lab, because it really helps the channel grow and I post new tech videos regularly. Now another important thing many people forget is VRAM. Modern games require a lot of graphics memory, and GTA 6 could easily demand 6GB to 8GB VRAM or more for smooth gameplay. Also, since Rockstar usually releases games first on consoles and later on PC, the PC version might actually look even better with improved graphics, ray tracing, and higher frame rates. That means if you want the best experience possible, building a balanced system with a good GPU, fast RAM, and SSD storage will make a huge difference. Imagine exploring the huge new open world, detailed cities, realistic lighting, and advanced AI, all running smoothly on your machine. That's why preparing your PC now could save you a lot of frustration when the game finally launches. And if you want, I can also make a full video explaining the best budget PC builds for GTA 6, so if that sounds interesting, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. Let me know in the comments what GPU or laptop you're currently using, and whether you think it will handle GTA 6 when it finally releases. Until then, keep your systems ready, because the next era of open-world gaming is coming.